Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra Cars. Hope everyone are at good health. Today we're talking on an important topic on electric vehicles. Recently we have seen in the news that a lot of electrical vehicles are stalled on the road suddenly without any reason. And new cars are stopped or stalled without any reason. So there's a customer who called me and asked, is there a chance that we can push the car and start? Please don't do that mistake for an electric vehicle. Because in electric vehicle, the neutral is not there, number one. Number two, if you push the car from behind, like the normal car, like the ICE engine, the petrol or a diesel car, that might start because there is a gear. But here we don't have gears, number one. Number two, when you push, the system, the wheels will rotate and there's a heat generated, and the motor which runs the engine and the power and all will get conked, totally gets damaged. So never ever push an electric EV. Please call the towing van and they'll lift the car on a flatbed and take it to the decided workshop. But they will not push nor they tow. They tow and take from the back wheels down, and no, don't do that. They put it on a flatbed towing van. So make sure, if you find this video informative for your safety, EVs cannot be pushed. If you find this informative, useful, please share it to your friends and relatives. Subscribe the channel. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.